In today's episode, we will be discussing about what to expect during couples therapy. Many couples believe that, if they can work through the difficulties on their own, they should not require outside assistance. Other couples are filled with guilt and shame as a result of their need for couples therapy. They tell themselves that they simply aren't good communicators. They argue that if they truly love each other, there should be no conflict. None of these assumptions are correct. More importantly, none of them are correct. You should have conflict as a couple, because you are not the same person. You did not grow up in the same family, did not experience the same triggers, and did not have the same life and relationship expectations. That is the ideal storm for conflict. What you do when you're in disagreement says everything about how the relationship will progress. Couples therapy is a place where you can learn how to be a better partner. Couples therapy is about teaching and practicing tools to help you achieve a better relationship. Couples therapists also work to dispel the notion that disagreeing is bad or that you are doing something wrong. When therapists refer to assessment, they are referring to the opportunity for them to enter your world and spend some time understanding how you interact with each other and where the pain points are. A couple therapist evaluates in two ways. It entails the therapist identifying your individual personalities, needs, and what triggers you. It entails comprehending how these layers affect you as a couple when you get together. So it's also critical for them to assess the dynamics that emerge as each of you works to meet your needs in the relationship. The therapist employs assessment to determine unhelpful behaviors. Trained therapists conduct a structured and comprehensive assessment of the couples with whom they work. You will meet with your therapist in the first session and provide an oral history of the relationship. You'll discuss how you met, dating memories, becoming parents, if applicable, and each of your subjective realities about the difficulties and successes you've had as a couple. This time together allows the therapist to begin to understand the journey you've been on prior to coming to therapy. Typically, the therapist will ask you to discuss a difficult-to-resolve issue in your relationship. It enables a trained therapist to determine which core skills you may need to learn or improve. Most couples who can demonstrate conflict patterns benefit more from couples therapy. It will include in-depth questions that will provide additional history to help the therapist evaluate your current relationship status. Without your partner present, you will each have an individual session with the therapist. However, there must be time set aside to speak with the therapist one-on-one and share your concerns and hopes for what therapy can accomplish. This is also an opportunity for you to develop your own relationship with the therapist so that you can feel confident that they understand you and will be your advocate throughout your work together. When you get back together, the therapist will assess your strengths, because all couples have them, and areas for growth. This assessment is not intended to make you feel embarrassed or concerned about your relationship status. The relationship assessment session is an opportunity for the therapist to present their treatment plan or roadmap for your goals. A treatment plan will include measurable steps to which you can refer as you learn and apply new tools and behaviors. This gives you confidence that your therapist is aware of the dynamics of your relationship. Making the initial investment in being open and vulnerable during the assessment process can lay the groundwork for a more positive and long-term outcome in couples therapy. So, find a therapist in your area and start working on the relationship you've always desired. We post a new video every day. The channel is directed towards providing you a daily dose of content centered around how to make money, living a financially fulfilled life, learning how to optimize your relationships in life, and providing a boost in your morale through our motivational videos. If you liked this video, then you need to watch the next one. Kindly click on the image, hovering on your screen, to see the next related video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment. We always appreciate hearing from you.